There was a time when success was like a good meal. It took time, patience, skill. Now we want it like instant noodles. 3 minutes and done. The problem? Success doesn't come with instructions on the lid. The internet is full of great promises. Make $1 million in 6 months. Passive income from your couch. Because of course, working hard is outdated now. If success were that easy, everyone would have it. And clearly, they don't. The problem isn't just that these promises exist. The problem is that we believe them. Social media shows perfect lives. Young entrepreneurs, luxury cars, travel. Everything looks flawless. Everything is edited. But the real process? That part doesn't look good on camera. Meet Luis. One Sunday night, he decided to change his life. You know, like most financial decisions start. He saw an ad. Make $10,000 a month without leaving your couch. 3 clicks. And 1 credit card later, Luis was officially enrolled in the Ultimate Success Masterclass. The course? Hours of videos from a guy with wireless earbuds, repeating things like, "You are your only limit." And sure, he was right. Especially the limit on your credit card. 2 weeks later, Luis realized something. The only one getting rich was the guy selling the course. There's another idea we've been sold. That success belongs to your 20s. If you're not a millionaire by 30, you've somehow failed. Like life is a race. And no one told us when it started. Most meaningful achievements take years. Years, not weeks. Real success isn't instant. It's built slowly. And no, it's not always comfortable. That's why it doesn't sell very well. The antidote to instant success is simple. Learn real skills. Not just watch videos about them. Work with discipline. Even when it doesn't feel exciting. Stop comparing yourself to edited lives. Because competing with that is losing from the start. And accept this. Failure isn't the end of the process. It's part of it. The problem with instant success isn't just that it's a lie. It's that it makes you waste time chasing something that was never there. Meanwhile, real success is still waiting. It's not fast. It's not easy. But at least, it's real. And these days, that's already a lot. If this felt a little uncomfortable, good. You might actually be paying attention. I'm the obvious captain, here to remind you that the obvious is rarely what people want to hear.